Thumbnails. It's a magical thing which makes your viewers click your videos again and again, only for thumbnails. No matter how awesome your editing is, your thumbnail must be eye-catching. So without wasting our precious time, let's start with today's video. So I have picked my 2 thumbnails which have high CTR. So I will show you how to make these thumbnails in a simple way. There are many applications for making thumbnails, but today we will use the PicsArt application. So install the app and be ready. First we will create this thumbnail. So after installing the app looks like this. Now click on the Edit Photo option. Select the background. We will select black color. Now go to Tools and crop the background to thumbnail size. And now select the Effects option and turn the black background to noise color. I will first make this part and export it. As the video progresses, you will get to know. For making this part again, go to the background option and select the white color. Now select the shape option and select this one. Now adjust it as required. Now make the duplicate of this square and rotate this. Now select the text option and write the desired text. I will select the black color and add the font which suits. For more comfort adjustment, you can zoom the thumbnail and you can adjust the numbers. Now I will write the text and adjust the text here. Now repeat the same process. After completion, export this image. Now the creation of actual thumbnail begins. I have installed a PNG of a graph. You can easily find this kind of PNG in Google, or else you can create it by yourself. For now, I am importing the PNG graph which I have installed. I will zoom in the image so that it fits the thumbnail size. Now I will go to the Effects option and select the same noise effect which suits the background. Now I will import the red arrow PNG. Guys, you can find these PNG in Google easily, so download them from Google. So after importing the arrow, I will adjust its size according to me and fix it here. Now I will change this arrow to a noise effect. Now we will make this. I will fix it here. Now it's time for text. We will write some casual numbers. Here I am writing 990k views. We will select the font and adjust the text. As you can see, we are making this text look small, so zoom the thumbnail and fix the text as required. Again, the same process, fix the text above the number. Now I have downloaded the up and down arrow PNG. We will take the green up arrow and fix it here. Adjust the size and fix it properly. Now it looks like this. We have done 80% of our thumbnail. Now the main part is the text. We are going to write this text. Make sure that the font you select must suit the background and the remaining images which you have imported. Just keep changing the fonts. I feel that this text suits the thumbnail. Now write the second text and select the same font. And finally, adjust the text and image size as required. Here we go, download the image. So it's very simple to see this video, but you must have a picture of your desired thumbnail in your mind. You have to be sure which thumbnail is going to work out and which doesn't. And of course, by seeing this type of tutorials, you will get a rough idea about your thumbnails. Now let's recreate the second one. This thumbnail is also as easy as the first one. Let's once again start with selecting the background for our thumbnail. Select the thumbnail ratio and go to the Effects option and select the noise effect. It's not like the noise effect is compulsory. Whichever effect you like, you can select. For me, the noise effect looks attractive and it also looks unique. Now I have downloaded the Chrome image. We will import the image and remove its background in just one click. Now we will import the image of YouTube and remove its background. Now I have downloaded some required graphs from Google. We will quickly import it and adjust it according to our requirements. I want to make this graph line highlighted, so I will select this graph and make a duplicate of this. Bring the duplicate part exactly above. And now go to the shadow option and increase its capacity and blur. Go to the color option and select the green color. You can see here the shadow has been created. Now select the position and adjust the position. Now you can see that this graph is glowing. Now we will also bring the glowing effect here also. So repeat the same procedure. And now I want some glow effect on this part, so I will repeat the same procedure. I will create the duplicate and enable the shadow. And I will select the yellow color and adjust it. I am feeling that the glow on the graph line is not suitable to the thumbnail, so I will remove it. Okay, now it's looking right. Now we will import the up and down arrows and fix it. Make sure that both the arrows are the same size. Now it's time for text. Go to the text option and write the text. After that, select your desired font. Yeah, this is looking nice. Now I need to highlight the text, so I will bring some glow effect on the text. Select the text and make a duplicate and fix it on the text. Go to the shadow option and adjust the settings. I will select the white color and adjust its position. You can see that there is a glow in the text, so you can adjust this intensity as much as required, so our thumbnail is ready. Finally, export the thumbnail. So this was the simple thumbnail making process which I follow. Sometimes I will also use the Pixel Lab application for making my thumbnails, and sometimes I use the PixArt application. It all depends on you. Whichever application you feel comfortable, you can use that, but keep in mind that the thumbnail must be attractive. So these were the two simple thumbnails which you can make easily within 20 minutes, but the thinking process takes time. So if you have liked the video, then please do subscribe to the channel and keep practicing the thumbnail making, and one day you will meet the viewers' expectations. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.